Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So we're looking at page 26 of an really uncooperative music stand. For trombones only, new note, B flat. That is section A. And now we have part B. Scale study, section C. Right, then moving on. Part D, alternate positions. Using 6th position for your Fs on that, and now part E, getting there. Nice. Part F, do the diatonic. And let's boogie. So key signature says C, but as I look at it, it seems to me like it's more a G minor kind of thing, using the F sharp to lead as a leading tone into the G. Do that one again. Watch out for your E's all being natural.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.